Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've been looking for an easy and affordable way to create stunning videos for YouTube social media or marketing campaigns, you're in the right place. Today, I'm reviewing Invideo, one of the most popular online video creation platforms, and sharing the best coupon codes and discounts for 2025 so you can save money while upgrading your content game. I've included a special link in the description that always applies the biggest discount automatically, so you never overpay. Let's start with what Invideo is and why so many creators love it. Invideo is an online video editor that lets you make professional-looking videos in minutes. No complicated software, no heavy editing skills needed. Here's why Invideo is such a great choice in 2025. 5,000 plus ready-made templates for everything from YouTube intros to ads, social media posts, and product videos. AI tools that help you turn scripts or blog posts into videos instantly. Stock library access with millions of photos, videos, and music tracks included. Super easy drag and drop editor that works in your browser. Export in full HD with no watermarks on paid plans. And you can collaborate with team members if you're running a business or agency. Now, here are the best Invideo coupon codes and deals for 2025, INV 2025. Get 25% off any annual plan. Save 30, IVD 30% off the business plan. Perfect for creators who want access to more templates and exports. Grow 50% off your first month on the unlimited plan. FlashVid. Limited time 10% discount during special sales. And if any of these codes don't work, don't worry. My discount link in the description is always updated to apply the maximum available savings automatically. Pro tip, go with the annual plan if you can. It gives you the biggest discount, and you'll be set for a whole year of unlimited video creation. Invideo also offers a free plan, so you can try out the editor before upgrading, but you'll want to grab the paid plan to unlock HD exports and remove watermarks. So that's my quick review of Invideo and the best ways to save money in 2025. If you're ready to take your content to the next level, click the link in the description, apply your coupon code, and start creating professional videos today. If you found this video helpful, like it, subscribe for more video creation and marketing tips, and comment below telling me what kind of videos you're planning to make. I'd love to hear your ideas. Remember, great videos don't have to be expensive or complicated. With Invideo and these coupon codes, you can create high-quality content and save big in 2025.